Okay, so we're laying out a steel framed wall in this angled room with a door. You can see the door, it'll in swing towards this wall. So to get our layout, this is all has to be 5/8 sheetrock. So we measured back 5/8 from this edge and put a mark. And then from there, we measured over 3 5/8 inches, which is the size of our steel studding track. And we put another mark, which is what this line is here. Then we took off a piece of vinyl base and I slid my framing square under against the plate there so it was tight. And then that gave me a straight edge. And so then from this mark, this line right here, we measured over 3 foot to right there. And then referencing this edge of the square to get us out away from the wall, that's that mark right there. So then we measured 4 foot from there to right here. And then we did a 3, 4, 5. So Trenton held one end of the tape measure on that mark. And I came over here and in an arc, I marked where 5 foot intersected. So then we moved this square out of the way a little bit and we snapped a line going through the center of our intersecting point there all the way down to this end. And then once we had that line snapped, I measured over 3 5/8, and then we snapped that line across, and that gives us where our track's at. And then once we had this line carried through to the wall, we had Trenton measure over an extra 5/8 on either side, and you cut this base out. And then we needed this angle, so you can use your speed square and put it on there. We did this before the vinyl base was off, and we know that we need a 25-degree angle for this bottom plate. Then after that, the rough opening for that door is 38 inches, and we need to leave enough room for that door to swing, and there's likely going to be a little wall that covers this. So we needed to set the door out far enough that when it opens, it just comes into that wall, and that's it. So then we marked out the wall opening at 38 inches. And then now we're going to cut and fasten the plates. There's our layout. We're going to go ahead and shoot these in the floor now with the, gun here. So you flip the pin over. Let me see. The point, the pointy end goes out and it goes right in the barrel. And then you can just kind of flip it over and push it into the, use the ground to push it in flush. There you go. Now you put a load in. And then we'll move down about 2 foot. And make sure you're, as soon as it closes, it's ready. So we're gonna check and make sure that we're on our line. And then you're gonna do about 2 foot down and do the same thing.